Well, it was what it was. Let it be what it will be. Right now, it is what it is. No use drowning in your sorrow or being frozen by your fear. 'Cause right now, it is what it is.
Cloverdale was another crowd favorite at this year's Basin Summer Sounds. The band was formed in 2008 by the husband and wife songwriting team of Chad and Rachel Hammer. Married for 16 years, the couple moved from Bend, Oregon to Nashville in 2013. One of the questions they get asked wherever they go is, how can a married couple tour the country and not kill each other at every milepost?
You have to love what you do, and that's just it. For both, we met in a music program in college, and ever since we've just been doing music, 24/7. So it's a great adventure.
So you met in college?
Yeah.
When I was 11. Remember when I was 11.
You weren't kidding. All right. It's been a long day. You're gonna.
I got him twice on that joke. That's good.
I've had a rough weekend.
I was gonna say this is a family-friendly show, right? I don't know. Like
You want to know how to make a marriage last, right? You go on road trips together, right? And you get creative.
You get creative.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, that sounds really bad, but anyway, yeah.
Honestly, looking at you two, it looks like you were just married yesterday.
It's cool because it inspires other couples. New couples will come up and talk to us, and they want to know. They ask us questions.
We do a lot of premarital counseling for other people, so.
All right, the key to a lasting marriage: you form a band and you travel the country.
Try it out. Try it out. See how it works.
That doesn't always work. That should. A lot of people should not do that, but no, yeah. For us, it works great.
I'm going to let Cloverdale take us on home as we roll through some highlights from the weekend. I'm Cody Johnson. Thanks to all my guests, well, except Chance McKinney. And thank you for tuning in. We'll see you again next time on iFiber One's Inside Look.
Your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you.
say hi to us.
Thank you, Freddie.
Thank you
We love
again.
you guys. Thank you so much.
See you next time.
Well, it was